here, we'll just make his head like this. So like I might just make it actually coming like right here. Like he's supposed to be like that. I'll just make it like that. And make it like that. And just like make that right there. So sometimes when I make it like that, it just makes that like look so. Like he just looks so old if I have this snout round. How much time? Okay, so just like that. And then I'm just gonna like make his tongue coming out there. So I'm just gonna like make this part coming out right here. And then I'm just gonna have like another section coming out right there. So it coming out like right here. So just like that. And like right here, I'm not gonna be drawing like the outline really of his like, I'm just gonna be like, or maybe I'm just gonna like make it like this. So just gonna do this, like that. You have to remember to draw the hands like in like proportion. So like, just like that, I'll just bring this down. Like, just like that. Like that, I'll bring this down, like, I'll bring that like all the way right there, so. I don't know why. So like, I'll just like make this like that. So like, I'll just make it like that. So like for his leg, I'll just bring it like right here. I'll just make it come down. No, like just like this. Yeah. So I'll just like this. So like maybe I should like zoom out a bit. So okay. That's just like a bit. So like just like that, I'll like bring his tail down like across, so like comes like this, so like it like comes like that. So like I'll fix that arm if I have to. So I thought I totally drew this like way too small, but I didn't. So, like that. I'm gonna be drawing, like, I'm gonna highlight this. So, like, now I'm just gonna, like, make the bottom. Like, just like that. Like, so, wait. Oh yeah, just like that. So for a second on this, I thought I drew way too small, but turns out I didn't. So like I'll fix that. So like just like that. And now I'll draw the other like foot. Why it took me so long to see. Just gonna be drawing it like that. So yeah, I thought it was way too small, but it was not. Yeah, good practice. Not drawing big head, tiny body. So I'm just gonna like make like the spikes on Godzilla. Like this row is like very tiny. It's not like too bumpy or anything. I'm not gonna have enough room to draw that real, but just like this. So just like that. I'll just like erase all these like lines right here. So just like that. Yeah, I totally thought this was a trashy picture, but isn't. Yeah, once I start adding the spikes, then it'll look a lot better. I'm just gonna fix that foot right here. So I'll just like, I'll fix this, like it just comes right like this. So and then like just that. I'll just make it like so you can see better. So yeah, I don't know if that was any better. You know, I didn't change it really. It has to be like more bigger. And like this probably comes like right there. So, well, yeah, I'll just not do anything with that. So now I'll just make it like that. Just like that. Just like add all these. You don't want to make them like too big compared to like the bottom of his tail. So I'll be adding like some points like right here. Like there's like the third row is kind of like right here. just like that. Now I'll just start to draw the spikes. So like that. Now let's just start to draw the spikes. So the spikes like just start like right here. Like they just like start right here. So like that. I'll just use the 7B. Oh, maybe I should like use a not as thick pencil as this, cause like it's really thick. Like so. Just gonna like do that. Another one like comes here. Okay, like I need room for the biggest spike, so the biggest spike like comes up here. Like you'll just I got that wrong, didn't I? Table shaking, the paper moving. I'll make this one like smaller. So like that. Make the biggest spike. I never really practiced drawing this one. Like just something. And then this one just comes like right there. So I just some spikes right there. Just highlight some of these. Like that last spike is like round for some reason. So yeah, now I'm just gonna add the other layers of these spikes. So if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video. And you can also like turn down the playback speed. So yeah, just like that. Just add like some things. Like I'm gonna like do this. You might think like it looks ugly, but like I'm just gonna do like I'm gonna erase it a bit so like actually it looks like it's like on him, you know. So like I'll just make the head look. So just like that. Now I'll just make these rows. Like now they just like get small, so I just like make these like the texture on them. Wish I didn't erase this much. especially these ones, like the small ones. So, yeah, I thought I drew it way too small, but I didn't. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial on how to draw Godzilla. Wait, I think I might have forgot something. Okay, yeah, I totally forgot about the gills. Again, I don't really know anything else I'm supposed to draw. Okay, so I just kind of fixed that right there a bit. So yeah, it turned out way better than I expected. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one on how to draw Godzilla Roaring 2019. So Godzilla, King of the Monsters. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Yeah, so like and subscribe. So I will see you in the next one.